guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to use new Tattoo 4D eyebrow stick-on tattoos. Super excited. I know it sounds really crazy, and I'll show you how to get these fluffy brows. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and let's get to it. You can tell I have no eyebrows. This one is definitely the worst of the two. Sad situation. This is awesome if you suck at doing your eyebrows. It's awesome too if you're in a rush and you really don't have time to like precisely do them. I'm gonna love this over the summer when my husband's rushing me, because I really hate wearing makeup over the summer, but I always have to put my eyebrows on so I don't look like a jacked up alien. But it sucked because when I do my eyebrows sometimes in the summer, you know, I'll drink, I'll be in the water, one comes off, I sweat one off, and then it just looks runny and kind of a mess. And it's annoying to, you know, want to be out living your life and you want to like check your eyebrows every 20 minutes. You know what I mean? So I think these are going to be lit for summer and I'm kind of excited about it. Can you tell? The brand is called Bougie Brows. They sent over Vera, which is a little bit thicker than what I typically would do. Then they sent over Essie, which are a little bit thinner, but you could see how they're like 4D. You could see a lot of the little precise lines, which are cool. It looks kind of like microbladed. And they sent over Aria, and these are called Chanel. These are also a little bit more arched and not as thick and fluffy. First, what you want to do is take a little hairspray or gel. I'm going to take a spoolie. This is the one by Benefit because I really love the angled part of it. And these are my favorite little brushes. Right. So what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of lay them down. And I'm just running it through. I'm not like doing anything in particular. Put a little bit of the spray on your finger. Just make sure you lay them nice and flat, because the last time what I did wrong is I didn't do this step. I just didn't even think about it. I kind of just went for it. And what I ended up doing, where I did have a little bit of brow, it kind of fell underneath the tattoo and then it was like hanging, so you don't want that to happen. What you want to do is obviously cut out the tattoo, and you'll see where on the back where there's no plastic or whatever, it's not sticky, that'll show you exactly where you want it, so it makes it easier to line up. Play with it, like see kind of where I would want them. See how they're a little bit big for my face? If you want, I might just cut off a little bit here, just so, you know, it doesn't look like I have a unibrow. And then just stick it on, just like you're a little kid getting a My Little Pony tattoo. I like to hold my skin a little bit tight and then pull off like that, and then just push in, and it's going to look shiny, but I'm going to show you how to get around that. And then if you see anything that's kind of not part of the brow, like the clear part, just kind of use your fingernail to push it away. So make sure too, when you cut it, you just cut it as close as you can to the brow. So what you want to do is, you could honestly leave it just like this if you don't want to wear any other makeup. But to get rid of the shine, what you want to do is just take a little powder. I'm using CoverGirl right here, and this is just medium beige. They're Vitalist Healthy Powder, I don't know. So just take a little fluffy brush and push it on top. You don't need a whole lot. And that will help get rid of that shine. Just something that's like similar to your skin tone. I could have went a shade lighter, but I'm going to end up probably putting on concealer and all that kind of stuff, so I'm not too worried about it. What I would do is I just take some concealer, just go on as if you're doing the regular amount of makeup, where however much you want to wear, however little you want to wear, and just don't put, you know, any concealer, of course, on top of the tattoo, or it'll turn gray and muddy and it'll look a mess. Ooh, this one's a little bit higher. I'm looking a little, woo! I am not used to having this arched and fluffy brows. So I might just take off a little bit of this top right here, because this side of my face is naturally just a little bit higher. But I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll show you the finished look. Here are my finished eyebrows. I think it's fun and exciting getting to try different products and brands and new ideas. I think this is such a cool idea, especially if you don't have any brows. I know a lot of people don't have them and they're so ashamed or embarrassed, but there's nothing to be embarrassed about. But this might not be for everyone, and that's okay. I hope you guys like this video. I'll leave below which product I used for these guys, and if you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.